guys, this is Devesh from 3D Vlogs. Today we are gonna learn about lists in Python, so let's start. So guys, let us understand lists in Python. Lists are a kind of data type in Python which are used to store data like variables. Unlike variables, they store data in a sequence. Let us understand lists using some simple programs. So let us jump onto it. So guys, this is a simple program on list. In this program, x is a list which has values 1, 5, 9 and 3. Then we are printing x. That means we will print the numbers 1, 5 and 9 and 3 in a sequence. The main thing about a list is that they are stored inside square brackets. If we look at the output, we will get the numbers 1, 5, 9 and 3. Now you guys have understood what is actually a list. We can not only create a list, but we can add or remove an object from the list. So let's do that. If I want to add an element to the existing list, I will use the append statement. The element that I want to add will be put inside the append statement. In this way, it will add the given number to the end of the list. If we run that program, we will get the output like this. The new number 2 will be added to the end of the list. If we want to remove an element from the list, we use the pop statement followed by the index number. In this program, the element with index number is 5. That means by executing this program, the number 5 will be popped out. When we print the list x, we will get only the elements 1, 9, 3 and 2. Look, we have got the output. It printed the numbers 1, 9, 3 and 2. In the append method, we add an element at the end of the list. But in pop, we remove the element by using the index number. Now what if we want to change the value of the particular element in a list? We can do that. For that, first we write the name of the list, here it is x, then the index number of the value we want to change. Then we assign a new value to that list. Then we simply print that. In this program, the value having index number is 9. Then we will change the value to 7. Now here is the output. We have got what we wanted. For changing the value of the list, we can not only use positive numbers, we can also use negative numbers. Here the number with index number is 2. So we are changing it to 3. Let us see the output. In the output, the last number 2 is changed to 3. We can also add a new list to the existing list using the append statement. The new list is written inside the parenthesis of the append statement. In the output, we get a new list at the end of the existing list. We can also remove that new list by using that pop statement. Now what if we want to swap two elements in a list? We can do that. So guys, let's do that. So guys, here we have a list x having values Windows, Linux and Mac. We are going to swap Windows and Mac with each other. If we simply print the list, we will get the output like this. This is the program to swap two values in a list. Here we have a temporary variable temp. Initially, the value of the variable temp is the value with index number 0, that is Windows. Then we are changing the value of Windows to Mac. And Mac gets assigned to the variable temp. Look at the output. We have swapped Windows and Mac with each other. That's it for today's video guys. If you have any doubts or suggestions, leave it in the comment box. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. So bye bye.